LEMUR 2 drone by Brink. This advanced drone is designed for law enforcement and public safety professionals. It's equipped for operations like hazmat response, search and rescue, and more, allowing professionals to survey dangerous areas and de-escalate conflicts safely. The LEMUR 2 is packed with features like 4K cameras, LiDAR, a glass breaker, a loudspeaker, live streaming, and mesh networking. It can fly into buildings, gather intelligence quickly, and communicate with suspects. One of its standout features is its autonomy engine. The LEMUR 2 operates seamlessly in extreme environments, and its onboard LiDAR sensor generates real-time 2D floor plans. In a nutshell, the LEMUR 2 drone is revolutionizing public safety technology, offering an efficient way to handle various operations. The Zoox Robotaxi. This autonomous vehicle is a product of Zoox, an Amazon-owned company. The Robotaxi stands out with its unique cube-like design, built specifically for urban environments. It's fully electric and doesn't have a traditional driver or passenger seat. Instead, it features a carriage-style design where passengers face each other. The Robotaxi can operate up to 75 miles per hour in both directions and has four-wheel steering for easy maneuvering. Safety is paramount for Zoox, with the Robotaxi boasting over 100 safety innovations, including a novel airbag system and a unique sensor architecture for a 270-degree field of view. Zoox envisions a future where their autonomous Robotaxi fleet revolutionizes transportation. They plan to manage their own fleet, charging riders only for each trip. The reveal of the Zoox Robotaxi is a significant step towards this vision. The Sego Charger, an innovative product from Sego Innovations. This isn't your ordinary charger. It's a foldable, origami-inspired solar panel that provides a sustainable and space-efficient power source wherever you go. The Sego Charger's design is inspired by the art of origami, allowing it to fold into a compact size that can easily fit into your backpack or pocket. But don't let its size fool you. When fully deployed in sunlight, it can deliver a whopping 25 watts of power. Built for performance, durability, and portability, the Sego Charger is designed to withstand the physical and environmental conditions of outdoor adventures and off-grid situations. Plus, it offers versatile connectivity, allowing you to charge your devices via USB or AC outlets. In a nutshell, the Sego Charger is revolutionizing portable power solutions, offering a sustainable and convenient way to keep your devices powered up while on the move. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or an outdoor adventurer. The Ungoverned Vendetta, an off-road electric skateboard that's designed for adventure. This skateboard is equipped with forward and rear tracks that can maneuver on top of obstacles, making it perfect for off-roading. But what sets the Vendetta apart is its power. This skateboard can reach a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour and comes with a swappable battery within the deck, providing an average run time of 30 minutes. The Vendetta is operated with a handheld wireless remote control that has an electric enclosure rating of IP67, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. In a nutshell, the Ungoverned Vendetta offers a new and thrilling way to explore the outdoors. The Dream Glass Flow. These AR glasses, developed by Dream Glass, are designed to revolutionize your gaming and video streaming experiences. Despite their advanced features, the Dream Glass Flow glasses are incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 59 g. They come with built-in HDMI cables for direct connection to various devices and feature Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for seamless streaming. What's more, these glasses are compatible with handheld gaming systems and all cloud gaming services. They offer a wearable display for an immersive viewing experience from your mobile devices or Chromecast system. In a nutshell, the Dream Glass Flow is setting a new standard in AR technology, offering an innovative and immersive way to game and stream videos. Alpin Solar represents innovation in the field of solar energy. Alpin Sun, a large solar developer, has over a decade of experience in originating, designing, and permitting sustainable solar projects for public and private utilities. as well as large corporate entities. They have a track record of successful projects, including a 250 MWP project in ERCOT North and a 320 MWP project in ERCOT North. On the other hand, Alpin Solar is the largest alpine solar plant in Switzerland, initiated by Axpo and IWB. Located on the Mutzi Dam in the Galris Alps, it generates climate-friendly electricity from around 5,000 solar panels. The project produces 3.3 gigawatt-hours of electricity annually, with half of it produced in winter. Both Alpin Sun and Alpin Solar are making significant strides in harnessing solar energy, contributing to a sustainable future. Sarcos Guardian represents a series of advanced robotic systems developed by Sarcos Robotics. The Guardian Exo robotic exoskeleton is a full-body, battery-powered wearable robot designed to enhance human productivity and safety. It allows operators to lift up to 200 pounds without strain, and its hot-swappable batteries ensure near-continuous operation. Debuted at the 2020 Consumer Electronics Show, this exoskeleton is revolutionizing industries with its strength augmentation capabilities. Another remarkable product is the Guardian XT, a dual-armed teleoperated robot. It performs tasks with human-like dexterity while keeping the operator safe in hazardous conditions. Its modular design allows it to be mounted on various mobile bases. Both the Guardian XO and Guardian XT embody Sarcos Robotics' commitment to enhancing human capabilities, improving safety, and increasing efficiency across various industries. Innopower Company Limited, based in Thailand, is an energy tech company established by leading power utilities. They invest, develop, and commercialize disruptive technologies in the energy and power sectors. Their mission is to energize power innovation not just for Thailand, but beyond. On the other hand, Innopower Technology is a leading semiconductor IP provider. They offer feature-rich and innovative fundamental libraries, including standard cells, memory compilers, and I/Os. They support any SoC designs, whether the application is in consumer electronics, computer, or communication. Both these entities, though operating in different sectors, embody the spirit of innovation and power. The Shine Portable Wind, a compact, origami-inspired wind turbine developed by Aurea Technologies. This isn't your ordinary power source. It's designed to be lightweight and compact, similar to the size of a water bottle. What makes the Shine Portable Wind stand out? It's designed for easy setup and can be deployed in just 2 minutes. But don't let its size fool you. This turbine can generate up to 40 watts of power, collecting as much as 3 phone charges worth of power in an hour. The Shine Portable Wind is intended for use during camping trips or in emergency situations. Can charge any USB device or up to 4 phones at once. In a nutshell, the Shine Portable Wind is revolutionizing portable power solutions, offering a sustainable and convenient way to keep your devices powered up while on the move. So, whether you're an outdoor adventurer or a tech enthusiast. The Wavin TreeTank, an innovative solution that allows trees to grow without damaging roads and pavements. Developed by Wavin, this modular system is installed in a hollow space where the tree will be planted. The tree tank provides the roots with water, air, and nutrients, while acting as a barrier against root damage at ground level. The Wavin tree tank not only provides room for root growth, but also ensures that trees develop more quickly by providing the ideal environment for roots. Designed to withstand continuous traffic loads, the Wavin tree tank is revolutionizing urban green infrastructure. So, if you're interested in sustainable city planning or environmental conservation. The Stratosphera Aquatica by Jet Capsule. This isn't your ordinary vehicle. It's an ultralight carbon fiber sphere that can move on water, land, and in the sky. What makes the Stratosphera Aquatica stand out? It's a sphere with a diameter of 1.65 meters that can accommodate up to 2 passengers for a unique journey. In its aquatic version, This spheric pod cruises due to an extendable foil mounted in the lower part of the sphere, allowing the submerged part to keep a very low center of gravity by incorporating all the battery packs. But that's not all. The Stratosphera Aquatica features a self-balancing system in the hydrofoil setup, allowing the adaptation and adjustment of the inclination of the sphere while piloting. Access to Stratosphera is granted from a front sliding glass or through a rooftop gate opening. In a nutshell, the Stratosphera Aquatica is revolutionizing transportation technology, offering a thrilling way to travel on water, land, and in the sky.